Hi, Well and Good. I'm Charlee Atkins, and this is The Right Way. Today we're talking about the right way to do a mountain climber. Oftentimes what we do is we have our butt up in the air, which causes our shoulders to come away from our wrist, and then I have no room to bring my knees into my chest, so I'm not even really working my core. I'm really having a tough time climbing this mountain right here. So let's set up the right way. Now we want a majority of the work happening at our core, but we also want to make sure that we're nice and strong in our arms. So if I set myself up correctly, I should have a straight line from my head to my heels, my back should be flat, and most importantly, my shoulders should be right over my wrist. From here, all I'm doing is I'm pulling my knee into my chest. So let's talk about speed. In my mind, I want you to march it so that you are actually getting a nice strengthening exercise as opposed to speeding it up and potentially losing your form. For more right ways, subscribe to Well and Good right now.